This keeps UV radiation from absorbing into the skin.
When Billy Clark and his Love Low Ultraviolet co-founder took part in the Apex Challenge for Entrepreneurship, it was a game changer for the fan favorite team.
They offered the various lessons and lectures on how to successfully build up a business the right way. As you can see, a lot of the statistics will say something up towards 80% of most startups fail. They want us to be that 20%.
Apex Center for Entrepreneurs programs help students build new ventures.
We do this by bringing students from all across campus, any year, any major, any college, to really help us build an entrepreneurial environment where students can learn together, work together, and experience what it takes to take an idea and take it all the way to the marketplace as an entrepreneurial journey.
Executive Director Derek Maggard says they don't just talk about entrepreneurship. It's hands-on practice with a focus on bringing students from different disciplines together.
The magic happens when you have students from all disciplines, when you have a business student, an engineering student, a design student, scientist and engineer really working on these complex problems. And it's so awesome to see these students come together with this like-minded nature to take a solution to the market and create a business around it.
Junior Tajir Lewis had all the ingredients to make and bottle Aunt Carol's sauce. Apex helped him fill in any gaps.
I'm a wood construction major. I'm not a marketing, I'm not a food science major, so I had a lot of areas that I didn't have a lot of experience in, but he helped me fill that gap in. And they gave me a lot of connections and wisdom and experience so I can get this business to where I want to be at.
The programs available to students give them access to a variety of resources, including more than $55,000 in grants and cash awards.
For one, they give me funding, and that helps me get materials and processing that I don't have to leave some financial stress off of my business, as well as connections. I think the major part of this accelerator program is the connections, because now I'm able to be connected with a lot of individuals that have a lot of network.
Sana Ahmed and her team didn't have a product, but did have an idea for a startup.
We did Apex's Kickstart, which is perfect for startups that are in the ideology phase because you don't have to have a product, but it helps you think about your revenue model, your features and stuff like that. It's been amazing.
Just 5 years ago, the Apex Center worked with 135 students. That number has grown to nearly 3,000 today, and the launch of more than 90 startup teams in just the last year.
Between the students who've gone through our competitions and who've been competitive nationally, between the companies that our students have started, with the kind of connections they have with our faculty and staff and entrepreneurs, that they really are working not only for their own careers, but also in the spirit of Ut Prosim to make Virginia Tech a better place.